Hi guys, my name is your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. And also remember you can follow me on TikTok and on Instagram as well. Hi guys, we're going happy Monday. It's Monday. Look, one of the lift is out. So I hope that one is coming. Normally it's Monday. How was your weekend? Normally I would start off my vlog in the car on a Monday going shopping, but not today because the lift is here. Let's see, it's heated too and it's clean. As I was saying, so my plans for today is I'm gonna run. I didn't even know where I left off, but I'm gonna run to the doctors to get my prescription repeated, and then I'm going to the city to be a tourist for a day. But yeah, work asked me to do some shift today, but you know what, I politely declined because I need some time for myself. So today I'm gonna do some excursion, and tomorrow I might take myself out for lunch, and Wednesday I'm gonna work, but I'm gonna work early. I did say yes for that one. So let me put away my scraps for food because I'm helping the environment. So we recycle, that's it, waste food. So that's it. So I'm on my journey, and the weather is not even that fine, but I've got my umbrella because I remember I said make sure when you're going out you check the weather first. Always wear a jacket and a jumper that I've got on now, and my umbrella is in my bag. So off you go, and the next time you'll see me I will be a tourist for a day. So I'll see you, I'll check in back later. I visited the changing of the lifeguard, the London Eye, and Big Ben. But I wanted to go more places or deeper into places like where Big Ben, not Big Ben, where what do they call it? London Eye is. But you know what? I had to cut it short because it's raining. It's raining so bad, and then the weather changed, so it got a bit cold. So that's my day. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna edit my vlog because I did half. I need a half more to edit, and then find something to eat. I was hungry too, and I wanted the toilet, so that's it. So, and I need to make some ginger shot. Maybe I'll come back in the vlog when I'm making my ginger shot, because I don't do the supermarket one no more. So I make it from scratch. I even grow my own ginger. I'm joking. Anyway, see you later.
On a dû aller un peu à son. Stop.
换成那个什么睡觉吗？
对，
那个是视频。
不是这个吧？它那个我想拍的，我想看一会儿。你
小热车。